Morning, guys. I skipped yesterday, just kind of getting some other information and stuff. So, just some general announcements. The plan is still April 14th. Okay, so we're gonna go back one way or another. So now I need you guys to listen to this. We're going back one way or another. We're going back on the 14th, and we're going back to school. Or we're going back on the 14th and it's going to become mandatory online, things start to count. So you're going to have to pull yourself together somehow and kind of pull that in. So plan for either one. So on April 14th, we will be back in the game one way or another. Now, we won't know what that looks like until after April 8th. They have a board meeting on April 8th. So no matter what you hear, unless you hear it from me, or a school official, the plan right now is to go back to school on April 14th and be back in classes. That may change on April 8th, I'm not sure, but I can tell you for sure that we will be back in a classroom, whether it be online or in a physical classroom, starting April 14th. We're planning for both, so just know that you guys need to be ready to go. Still missing some people on Remind. You need to get them signed up. Those that have received phone calls from the school district and have not called them back, please do so. We have to get lots of information from you guys about, do you have a computer at home? Do you have internet? And different pieces like that. So make sure you guys are going through and answering the phones and stuff like that. Don't ignore it. The excuse is I didn't know is probably not going to work well for you guys. So make sure that you are ready to go. So don't forget, April 14th, we got 4 days left, and then you guys get spring break next week, and I'll stop the videos next week and different things like that. The other thing that I want you guys to know is that right now on Mondays and Wednesdays for IM3 and 2 Advanced, from 11 to 12 a.m. I'm on Google Classroom, I'm in Google Meet, so if you want to talk, it does not have to be about math. You guys can just talk, whatever you guys want to do. Anybody can join that has the link. Go to Google Classroom, the link's on there. And then for my AP classes, don't forget from 11 to 12 a.m. on on Tuesdays and Thursdays is when I'm on there for the AP classes. So AP classes, you guys still going to have to take a test. So the packets that I gave you, even though it can't affect your grade, it will affect your ability to do better on the AP classes. Math 3 and Math 2 Advanced, we give you those to help keep you review. Make sure you're doing those, because when we get back, we're going to jump right into review and we're going to get rolling. So if you skip 3 weeks of not doing anything, you guys need to make sure that you're staying on top of stuff, because we're going to keep moving in that direction. So don't forget, April 14th today, one way or the other, we're going back to school. Math 3 to Advanced, 11 to 12 a.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays. Today at 11 to 12 AP classes. Tuesday to Thursday, I'll be there. Just go on to Google Classroom. The link will be on there. Click on it, and then it'll bring you. It's like a Zoom meeting, but it's in Google Classroom. It's called Google Meets. Other than that, see you guys soon.